Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Zedge Ringtones on Android. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. So what you need to do is first of all, open up the Zedge mobile application. Now once you open up the Zedge mobile application, now this interface should appear. You can see here is the ringtone. Tap on the ringtone and from here choose any of the ringtones that you want. If I click on this, as you can see, if I tap on it, this interface will appear. At the bottom right, tap on the three dots, and from here what you can do is click on add to collection. If you have bought the app, you will get the option of purchasing it. At the top right you can see it is the 10 written there, and that is how you can easily purchase it and set it to your mobile ringtone. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.